Assalamualaikum. Hi, I'm Puan Mariam and I will be your teacher for kelas Bahasa Melayu today. Now, we will learn Bahasa Melayu with the topic about occupation, about a job. Pekerjaan saya, my job, my occupation. Learning objective. Students are able to understand the meaning of pekerjaan. Describe their own job or dream job in simple sentences. Ask and answer simple questions about job. As shown the picture on the screen, picture about a fireman. Saya seorang bomber. I am a firefighter. Or I am a fireman. Next. Apa itu pekerjaan? Apa itu pekerjaan? What is a job? What is occupation? Pekerjaan adalah sesuatu yang kita lakukan untuk membantu orang lain atau mendapatkan wang. A job is a work that a person does to earn money. Example of job. Contoh pekerjaan. Police. Police officer. Police. Police officer. Doctor. 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 Cikgu. Teacher. Cikgu. Teacher. Next. Jurutera. Engineer. Jurutera. Engineer. Pemain bola. Football player. Pemain bola. Football player. Tukang masak. Chef. Tukang masak. Chef. Next. Penyanyi. Singer. Penyanyi. Singer. Ahli politik. Politician. Ahli politik. Politician. Pemandu bas. Bus driver. Pemandu bas. Bus driver. Next. Kenapa pekerjaan penting? Why occupation or job is important? Membantu orang lain. Helping others. Dapat duit untuk membeli barang keperluan. Earning money to buy necessities. Membuatkan kita rasa berguna dan gembira. Make us feel useful and happy. Next. As usual, every class, we will have a quiz. Please look at the example of question on the screen. Please make example sentences using a job of occupation. Saya bekerja sebagai, sila isikan tempat kosong. I am working as. Please paste the sentences. Next quiz. Pekerjaan impian saya ialah, my dream job is. Pekerjaan impian saya ialah, my dream job is. Please answer all the quiz in the comment section. Alhamdulillah, congratulations, tahniah dan terima kasih for attending kelas Bahasa Melayu pada hari ini. InsyaAllah, we will meet again in the next sesi. Kita akan berjumpa lagi pada sesi yang akan datang. Dan jangan lupa, don't forget to answer the question in the comment section. Assalamualaikum.